Painting. Someone painted the dog green. Beginning and middle. What comes after middle? Charlie. So beginning, middle, end. Tom, let's go. So Craig named the dog. Tom. Ideas, yeah, well done Aaron. So you need an idea, don't you?
Yeah.
You need an idea of what your story is going to be about. And then setting. So what does the setting mean? What does it mean?
Big idea of a century.
A place.
Yeah.
So the setting, where is it set?
Okay.
So what does every story need?
Begin and middle and ending.
Yes.